In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map your Google Sites to a custom domain URL. If you've built a website using Google Sites and want to give it a more professional look with your own custom domain, you're in the right place. This easy to follow process is quick, straightforward, and should only take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Google Sites and navigate to the website you've created. First, you're going to want to click on the settings icon. You can find this icon typically located in the upper right hand corner of the screen. It looks like a small gear, and clicking it will open up a menu with various customization options for your site. Once you've opened the settings menu, the next step is to look for the option labeled custom domains. This option allows you to enter a domain name that you already own and wish to use for your Google Sites website. Click on custom domains to proceed. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. Simply scroll through the menu until you find it. It's there. After selecting custom domains, you'll see a button that says Start Setup. This is where the process begins in earnest. Clicking Start Setup will guide you through the necessary steps to connect your Google Sites to the domain you own. Now it's time to have your custom domain ready. If you've purchased a domain from a provider like Google Domains, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, have it open in a separate tab or window. You will need to paste it in the next step. With your domain handy, you'll be prompted to paste the domain you have into the provided field. Make sure to enter your domain name accurately to ensure it correctly maps to your site. It's crucial that there are no typos or errors in this step, so double check everything. Once you've pasted your domain, follow any on-screen instructions. These may include verifying domain ownership, which is often a matter of using a verification method provided by your domain registrar. This can vary depending on your provider, but most services have help guides for verification if needed. And there you have it. After completing these steps, your Google Sites should now be mapped to your custom domain URL. It may take a few minutes for the changes to take effect, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Enjoy the professional touch that a custom URL brings to your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and simple. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.